In the last module, we have discussed 21 questions, and I have given an index page here because some of you may need only to see the solution of certain questions. So, instead of watching the complete question, you can just see the question number here and go to that part of the discussion. So, you can save the time. So, let us see the first question. Prove that the level of questions in this video will be a little higher as compared to the previous module. Previous module was purely from NCERT. Here we have question from NCERT, from reference books, etc. So, the first question, prove that cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos 9x by 2 is equal to sin 5x into sin 5x by 2. See, I need two formulas. Again, I am saying you must by heart the formulas. 2 cos A cos B equal to what? Cos A plus B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So, this identity you must know. So, I am writing the LHS. LHS is equal to cos 2x into cos x by 2, cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos x by 2, cos 3x into cos 9x by 2. So, this is the expression LHS. Now, but you see, all these formulas start with 2 cos A cos B, 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A sin B. So, I multiply and divide by 2, multiply and divide by 2. So, this will be equal to half into 2 cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus 2. And whenever you do these formulas, always make sure that the biggest angle is written first, so that you can avoid one step of cos minus theta. So, 2 cos 9x by 2 into cos 3x. So, this is the multiply and divide by 2. Apply the formula 2 cos A cos B, cos of A plus B. So, this will be equal to half into cos of 9 2x plus x by 2 plus cos of 2x minus x by 2 minus again 2 cos A cos B, cos of 9x by 2 plus 3x plus cos of 9x by 2 minus 3x. And we need to have proper bracket. This 1 by 2 is common for the entire thing. Now, this is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 2, you can multiply, take LCM, 4x plus x, 5x by 2 plus cos 2 into 2x, 4x minus x is 3x by 2. This is one term minus cos 9x by 2 plus 3. So, 2 into 3 is what? 6. 6 plus 9, 15x by 2 plus cos 9x by 2 minus, if you take LCM, 6x. So, 3x by 2, and there is a big bracket here. Now, you see, if you open the bracket, you see cos 3x by 2 minus cos 3x by 2 get cancelled. So, what is the balance now? What is the balance? Half into cos 5x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2. Now, again, if you want, a minus b equal to what? Minus of b minus a. If you want, you can use this property, or you can use it by using formula. So, I will explain you. That is minus, I took common, minus half into cos 15x by 2 minus cos 5x by 2. Again, we have in the previous module, many questions we did by cos c minus cos d. What is cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sine. So, there is 1 minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 sine 15x by 2 plus 5x by 2 by 2 into sine 15x by 2 minus 5x by 2 by 2. Now, let us see. What is 15x by 2 plus 5x by 2? 20x by 2. 20x by 2 means what? 10x. So, this 2 get cancelled, minus into minus become plus. So, you will be getting sine 10x by 2 into sine 15 minus 5, 10. 10 by 2 is 5. So, 5x by 2. So, what is sine 10x by 2? Is equal to sine 5x into sine 5x by 2 is equal to RHS. So, beautiful, no? So, listen to me. What are the formula we used here? 2 cos A cos B is equal to what? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So, all this formula, but when I wrote the LHS, there was no 2 there. So, I put 1 by 2 and 2 multiplied. So, anything you can write. See, x you can write 1 by 2 into 2x. Y you can write 1 by 2 into 2y. So, x plus y you can write 1 by 2 into 2x plus 2y. No problem if you take 2 outside, 2 get cancelled. So, in the first step, what I did is, I multiplied by 2. So, 2 cos 2x into cos x by 2. Always try to arrange the descending order the angle. 2 cos 9x by 2 into cos 3x. Again, cos 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B minus 2 cos A cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So, cos 5x by 2 into cos plus cos 3x by 2 minus cos 9 plus 6, 15x by 2 plus cos 3x by 2. So, you can simplify, you can make it. So, hope you can go for the next question. Find the value of tan pi by 8. It's a tricky question. I will do in a way which you can easily remember, and I will derive you certain formula. If you can do that one, tan x is equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. Now, listen to me. How I got this one? Because we have a formula 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to what? 2 cos square x. Now, if you divide these two, therefore, this by this equal to what? 2 get cancelled. So, tan square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. So, tan x is equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. If you know these type of shortcut formulas, the problem solving part will be easy. Otherwise, you have to use tan 2a formula, then quadratic equation to solve it, and it may be solved in the reader. So, when you come to here, you must get something new, something better. as compared to the other method. So, tan x, you know, pi by 8. So, pi by 8 is an angle in which quadrant? It's an angle pi mean 180 by 8 mean it will be 22.5. It's an angle in the 22.5 degree. So, this will be an angle in the first quadrant. You know, of course, tan will be the first quadrant will be positive. So, we have tan x is equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. Now, any one of the values. So, pi by 8 is an angle in the first quadrant. So, I will be taking therefore as pi by 8 in first quadrant, tan pi by 8 equal to plus root of 1 minus cos 2 into pi by 8 by 1 plus cos 2 into pi by 8. One line will get the answer. That is equal to root of 1 minus, this is what, pi by 4, cos pi by 4 by 1 plus cos pi by 4. That is root of 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 1 plus 1 by root 2. That is equal to, if you take LCM, root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. By root 2 get cancelled. Now, I can rationalize this one. This is equal to rationalize. What is the rationalizing factor of the denominator? Root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1. That is root of root 2 minus 1 the whole square by 2 minus 1, because a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. Now, that is root of root 2 minus 1 the whole square, only the positive square root by 1. So, we need only to take the positive square root, that is root 2 minus 1. There is another way to solve this one. See, only this one line you get in the answer, but this is simplification. You can write in as per your convenience, but this, you know this formula, tan x is equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. It will be easy for you to do, and there is another one which is solved in the reader. You can check by using a quadratic method. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Put a is equal to pi by 8. You will be getting tan pi by 8 here. You can make it a quadratic equation and you can solve it. So, this is a different method. So, tan pi by 8 is equal to what?